In this lecture, we'll learn how to do basic calculations in Excel, including average, median, and percentage. So, if you look at this data, you have current assets, non-current assets. Now we have to find out total assets. So, you have to add current assets and non-current assets. Let's do it. Click on this box, then press equal sign, then write down sum, S-U-M. So your functions will be suggested over here. Just click on your function, which is sum. Then select current assets and non-current assets. Then close your first bracket. Press enter. You can also do it in this way. Let me show you. Equal sign. Then you need to add current assets, then plus sign and non-current assets. Press enter. If your data are scattered, then you need to select your data individually. But if your data follow a sequence, you can follow the previous function, that is I showed you before. Let's do it again. Equal sign, write down sum, select your data, close bracket, press enter. Once you have calculated your total asset for 2015, you can easily do it for other years. Let's do it. Just select your cursor over here, then drag it. So in the same way, you can find out total asset, total liabilities and equities. Let's do it. To find out total liabilities and equities, we have to add total equity and total liabilities. So press equal sign, then write down sum, select your data, total equity and liabilities. Close your bracket, press enter. Then follow the process. Now let's find out net working capital. To find out net working capital, we have to deduct current liabilities from current assets. So once again, start with equal sign, then select current assets, then minus, then select on current liabilities, then press enter, then drag it. So that's your net working capital from 2015 to 2019. Now let me show you how to find out percentage. So over here we have to find out total liabilities as percentage of total assets. So what percentage of assets are financed by liabilities? Now press equal sign, then select total liabilities divided by total assets. Press enter. Then follow the process. So if you look at your result, it's in a point. Say for example, total liabilities as a percentage of total asset in 2015 is 0.83996. Now you are interested to show your result as a percentage. To show your result as a percentage, you need to select the data, then click on this percentage sign. There is a percentage sign over here. Just click on this. Click on percentage sign, then it will automatically show your percentages. So if you look at this data for 2015, total liabilities as a percentage of total asset is 84%. Now if you want to show some points, you can add points and delete points. So let's look at over here. If you click on this, it will insert some decimal points. If you want to show your data up to 2 decimal points, I can keep it as 2 decimal points. If you add more decimal points, you can add over here. If you want to delete some decimal points, you can decrease decimal points by clicking over here. So you can add or delete decimal points as you want. So I am keeping it as a 2 decimal points. Now let me show you how to find out average and median. So click on this box, press equal sign, then write down average. So your functions will be suggested over here. So that's average, AVERAG. Click on this. Now if you want to find out average current assets from 2015 to 2019, you need to select this data. Let's select this data. Then close your first bracket. Then press enter. So that's your average current assets from 2015 to 2019. If you want to find out the average non-current assets, average net working capital, you can simply drag your data. So that's your data. So for this one, you need to again click on this percentage sign, then add some point. Now we learn how to find out median. So again, press equal sign, write down median, ME. So your functions will be suggested. That's median, MEDIAN. Click on it. That's median. Then click on your data. Select your data. Close your bracket. So this will show you what's your median current assets between 2015 and 2019. So once you have closed your first bracket, press enter. So you can also follow the same process for other years. For this one, once again you need to press on your percentage sign. So that's your average and median current assets and current liabilities and other data from 2015 to 2019. So we know how to select the border. So that's it.